Hey everybody, welcome to Rojo Travel Adventures, and just wanted to give you guys a quick little tip here. When we stayed at the Disneyland Hotel, we had some amazing customer service. We had room service delivered to the room twice for breakfast, and on the first day it was raining like crazy. They called to say that they were running late because of all the extra food deliveries for that morning, and it got there within 10 minutes of that phone call. The second time we had room service delivery, she asked if she could come into the room and set up our table, and just the customer service that Disney provides at their hotels and their resorts was impeccable. So Disney, you did good on the customer service. Thank you very much. We had a wonderful time. And up next is the review of our room. Thanks everyone. Have a good day. Hey everybody, welcome to Rojo Travel Adventures, and today we are at the Disneyland Hotel in Anaheim, California, and we're going to give you a room tour of room 440 in the Discovery Tower. So there's a few towers, obviously, like all hotels have them, and Disneyland Original Hotel, we're in the Discovery Tower. So welcome to our room. First up, we're going to show you guys the bathroom right here. Had these really nice barn sliding doors. I think that's what they're called, barn doors. Slides real easy, and it's got a nice closed seal on here. You can see that there's a good step-in shower, and no tub in this one, so if you have the littles with you, it might be a little hard for the actual shower, or for the tub portion. But definitely a good sized shower in here, and you've got a tile on the floor and the adjustable shower head, so you can raise it up and down. And then of course you also have that beautiful overhead rain shower, so you can get that extra feel. And then of course you've got all your soap amenities. You got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then right here behind me, you've got a good sized vanity. What did Disney do right? They put hand soap, so you don't have to worry about unwrapping it, and you got liquid hand soap. Good job, Disney. Some body lotion, tissues, a little bit of storage area down here. You do have that ever important blow dryer. And then no space, that's just decorative, so don't worry about that. And then of course you've got your commode area. And this one also does have a separate door on it. It's one of those barn slider doors. It does lock from the inside, so somebody can be in there doing their business and the other person's out here doing their business. So, but good size, slides real easy. Locking mechanism here on the door, so everybody gets their personal space. And then so all the floors, there's no carpeting in here, so you've got your wood vinyl flooring. And then the room is really good size. We got I think this is the king size bed. Actually no, I think this is a queen size. This is a queen size bed. Queen size bed, and nice wall size TV for you. Digital selection on everything. Okay, so as you guys can see, we've got a good sized room, and thank you Disneyland for welcoming the Science family to your hotel. Okay, so in the living area, we've got some good sized drawers here for storing your essentials. Nice big open countertop, so if you guys need to have a good area to place out your stuff. Right here you have your digital controls for heat and cooling. On the table here, you've got plenty of plugins. You've got USB, the USB-C. You also happen to have your light controls here, so that'll turn this one on and off, so that's a nice little feature. The all-important Disneyland book tells you what's going on around the hotel, the restaurants and everything that they offer. Always love sitting down looking at that. So down here you got another nice sized cabinet for storing your essentials. And then you've got these really cool little sitting arrangements. You got two of them. So a couple of chairs you can just plop down in case you need some extra seats in here. Good sized couch. This hotel, this tower is like their retro style tower. It's super cute. All kinds of colors and extra decorations in here. So you got some good seating there. Okay, and then as I said, queen size bed. On either side of the bed, you do have control lamps or control lights. There's a little knob back here. You can just turn it on and turn it off super easy. You got your plugins. You got USB, USB-C, and a regular outlet. And then you've also got, nope, okay, actually that's not storage, but this is actually on both sides of the bed. So everybody's got control features. And then this little nook and cranny is a Murphy bed. So if I pull it down, I don't know if I'm gonna get it down all the way, but I guess we can try. Okay, so the whole couch moves with it. Obviously, we got to move the little table there. Maybe we'll take that apart later and just show you guys. But nice countertop table or coffee table there for you guys. How cool is this? We have our own little sink right here, okay? So we always got water bottles and you need to be able to wash your hands, do whatever. Microwave, coffee pot, because everybody needs their coffee when they're at Disneyland. Got some storage up here for your basics, cups, plates, glassware, some small coffee mugs, and then toaster, little ice bucket, which that's a rarity. We've been to some hotels lately where we can't find an ice bucket to save our life. Down here, again, just some more under sink storage area, paper towels, little dish, little soap sponge, in case you were gonna wash any little essentials that you guys happen to need. And they even give you a towel for washing. Disney, you done did it good. Okay, refrigerator, and this is a good sized refrigerator. It's bigger than your basic average hotel refrigerator. And then of course you do have the freezer compartment right there too. So if you did need to throw in some ice creams or whatever, you got the space. And then we have two good sized closets. So this one here, this one contains your safe. Here, let me get out of the way, Mr. Camera Guy. You've got your safe in there, and you actually have an ironing board and some extra bedding for your Murphy bed if you guys are gonna have extra guests in here. And then changing places, Mr. Cameraman, you've got a couple of robes. And look at that! Disney, you did it good again. We got 2 Disney robes, and they're plush too. This is the extra soft kind. So yeah, y'all are gonna see me in a picture in this one later. So yeah, so you have 2 of these and lots of hanging space. Good, plenty of hangers in there. So good storage there, good storage here. This hotel room, I'm telling you guys, there is some really good storage in here for a hotel room. But again, that's what Disney does. They do it right. So hope you liked our room tour. Stick around, we're gonna have more videos as we hang out in Disneyland for the next couple of days. Bye everybody, see you next time.
Don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.